What wrong with my living condition? Me not still alive. I ain't never catch me now. Come out to when I feel like. Me not have the living condition. Me not broke hungry. What wrong with my living condition? What wrong with it? What wrong with my living condition? Me not see nothing wrong with it. What wrong with it? Nothing wrong with my living condition. What wrong with it? Bitch come to me wanna live in blood clot condition. Me don't wanna live blood clot, but me still a live. I saw me a live, yeah. This is me not come cap. Didn't I tell you like I don't live anywhere? Didn't I tell you guys that me not make enough money on social media and you can arrest me? Never tell you me not live nowhere already. That catch me catch. So wrong want me living arrangement. Huh? Me need help. Me need pussy clot help. Yeah. Them never come cap. Me need help. Me need pussy clot help. What the problem now? I don't feel like someone come do all of these blood clot things and say these things and do these things make a blood clot shame or something. I don't shame or something. Me no blood clot shame or nothing. Alright, then me have to make it big. Right there. Right there, me I stand up. Right there, me I got. Right there, me I stand up Birmingham the 20th of April. The people that are there Birmingham, my fans, but they are Birmingham want to see me. Want to see me. My fans that are Birmingham want to see me go up on my story. Buy a ticket. Alright, then me I stay. Right there, me I stay, period. Right there. Go up on the page, go up on my story. Go up on my story. Go buy a Birmingham ticket. Right there, me I stay and go to Birmingham. Right there, me I stay. Right there. But the race is not for the swift, but those who can endure it. Will never stop. Take set for me. Will not stop. Tell me there's enough for the week, you know. Yes, sir. Enough for the week. I don't cry because I'm weak. I cry because everyone I go on the text it for me. What do you want from me? What the fuck? What do you want from me? Take it. What do you want from me? Take the internet, sit there. Take it. Take it. When you do on a group up, me not trouble you know. Never come here yet. Me not trouble you know. Me not trouble you know. Not trouble, no. Let's be doing some more, no. What we know from nowhere. But that's good.
Rosealee, what is that? Because people in the comment ask, what is that? I type it. I must have to beat now and Paul.
I can't pin it because they might flag me account for information rubbish.
So we can't type it lick like you count the money till I reach 1,000 for the liar money.
Yeah, me I go say me can't say they can put in a year back, John.
Don't make them break your Rose. Don't make them break
Good
you.
man.
Send it to me and put it on my, in my DP so the people can see it.
Account.
Hmm?
Them still that time I know what the blood clot say.
Rose, don't worry yourself. Sometimes people with influence, I forgot to them something. I have to bring attention to what the people am do. Cause the JDF people and been do them something. Yeah. Now put it up.
But look 1,000 I've got to pay the liar fee.
Me I forgot come off Rose to go put the something up on my DP and come back.
Me don't know.
Yeah, me I come off and put it as my DP and then come back. Give me 1 minute.
What's happening? What happened? So why you cry? You rough. Rough with what? What happened? Life full of whole hurdles, man, friend. You don't know it already. You don't know life full of whole hurdles and struggles. You don't know that life, man. Somebody trouble you? Do that what happened? That's the one picture. With what happened? Picture with... I don't understand what happened. You got exposed. Do you know where you call me this man and tell me about the judgment? Heard that. Them two out of order. No, me not laugh at you. You don't know, you remember who did have the phone by your way name there? You find some means of ways for kind of do what you have to do. Them two out of order people not privacy in them house again. The police boy the two out order. Not laugh at you. See the cash up it.
I don't know why it now come up, but she said she look $1,000. I can help you raise $1,000 June because them have to go to police. Because a long time them dirty police they go out with something and sometimes it takes somebody
for them fucking out and say, yeah, in your house. Oh, you want in your house and not even have the courtesy to say, here, well, all right then, she not really said certain way to talk to nobody or nothing. And them a man police, them guys them come in the house and expose the privacy and
somebody pin this. Somebody pin this. I don't know why I'm put it as my DP and it's still not sure.
Just deal the police.
Somebody pin me Zell. Rose, where I do the cash up. Sorry, Toto.
No, man. Poor is a crime. You think they put a gun nowhere else up above crossroad and go like say them a barge in a people place so we don't know for sure so them get authority from not whosoever to give them to come search a place.
And about them a video and for send out the video at that to them out of the thinking self.
You know the police them try me not even know if it's a boy, may I tell you. And then again a police right Jamaica rules and regulation with pencil and them so them can rub it out anytime them ready for rub it out. So me don't know what is what with them people, you know. Them too harder.
Rose, you have to focus on the lion money for sure.
One day see when people don't like you.
Sexy K? Zell, are the right Zell?
Supposed to.
Me can't pin him, me not me can't pin him.
I hear Zell Toto, I make Toto use him Zell and
No, I don't
can
mind
track
Zell.
it. We can track it, Rose. I know when you reach a thousand, you have to beg the thousand for go get liar for sue them dirty police.
Yeah,
Now run a joke with them.
Them too hard, I'm sorry you never take out your phone and record them to or a video who didn't have the camera for you. Because the girl called me this and she tell me, you know. And I said, Jude, man, I probably up on him phone him there talk to people and they look for something there.
Rose, the people them want help you send the girls $1,000 in a mama. You have to.
So the girl called me and I said,
Right,
"Toto, this one, you know." And she said, one of them I took out them phone and have it for me. I said, June, no matter think the negative way. Just think, say, I probably have on his phone and they talk with somebody and just take it out and hold it.
Any one of them want chat, Rose, make them chat. Make any one of them want chat.
Who want to rejoice about it? I want to rejoice about it. Not again. I figure, with no whole heap of shape. So when them a laugh and I go on, but after they don't come out with nothing in your mouth or nobody a piss for you and do anything what they want to do for you. But then again, to want to you and you is not the crowd favorite, people are going to run with whatever they want to run with. You can't stop that. You can't stop that. Just do what you need to do. They're not chatting with the girl and the boy. Just do what you need to do. If you know the member of the police, but sorry, you never took out your phone and take him a picture too. Or a record. Them total, you think them are going to go up the way above crossroad and say them are going to people's house before day? And no thief now in there.
With camera at that, and then you share the video at that, and I like to bring a work and use for evidence. You share girl video. Them dirty thinking police that too bright.
Them know what them a do.
Junior, make sure you get a liar and push the case. Remember, you have influence. Get the minister involved, everybody.
You have to sell them something on the live. Me done contact a liar already.
Them two are tada.
Office Monday morning. Me done when me go to them not even beard, you know. Right now, my green like see that's coming up beard.
Out the order.
Me not beard. Me not beard. Even somebody call me and say me not
on the live, but don't say a word, nothing. Don't say nothing about it. Just take a look at them and all the way see I run with the excitement. I'm
gonna stay and incriminate myself.
Got June, wish for you there in the cash up, because some of the people you have to pause and make the people who really want to help you, because some of them just there for the crowd and for the noise and for go find something for laugh about and for lift up and go. Remember, she been telling us that she big and she never telling us her waist small. She never telling us her waist small, but on the like bring down. And no fun, me see how small waist and big body. Me not see a man a cook good and a man a treat on a good. And no live.
Oh man.
Hey.
Hey, so them a share the live with so much people up there.
Rose, the Zell and the cash up, mama. Make us see which part there. Make sure you have a Zell. If a total Zell, you use it so you can track it until we reach $1,000. Because them there for the bring down. Make us see who really want to help you. Because justice, because enough poor people go through this. So my brother just you know with little influence and really highlight for them I do.
So that one girl that put it up, a mystery lady put it up, Mountain.
Yeah, I say she. Why I don't know why hey.
Has she put it up?
She don't yesterday she posted the woman picking on the wall. I want to sit down there and laugh and watch it, you know. Toto, go and use yourself for June so we can track it and say when we reach the $1,000. People want help.
Next one they don't on the plan. Jesus Christ.
So we know which part where they start it off June and reach the $1,000 and go do what you have to do.
We reach $100 cash up, so we have
$100 we reach, so we have $900 right there so for cut down.
Them two out harder for two, man.
I
And is there
Me
like
no busy
June?
where to and go.
Use yours so we can
Me
check.
no
Look at
busy
it.
where to and go. Long as a police put it out, me will get justice so tight. Me no busy
Of
where to and
course.
go. Oh. Me no busy, me want to put it all about. You never know?
Tabal, don't make them see a break. Your skin
Me no
clean, you
break.
never tell them say you have small
Me no
waist.
break.
Exactly.
Put up in the Zell make we
Weird.
can. So we have $100
That's what
already.
the
I
man
want
of.
$900 guys. See if we
Okay,
can
now.
because them two out a long time police had do them something to poor people.
Two man.
And them not do them job. When people call them for do them job, them not do them job.
Then the body ever feel safe now with the pop. What did I tell you to me? God.
When them
I tell you.
when them grip the woman pitney what they are, when they never show up when they're not supposed to show up, but when they have video say, oh no,
Savage, ya thing there?
put up your Zell.
No, but put it out up a while ago, but we can't get the pinage.
You put it up. I wish when I moderator them there camp. I'm gonna see Toto.
So me just put it there. You have to go scroll up. My email address.
Your email I use. Go back again, let me see it. Mother, if you wanna see Toto Zell in a pin it. Guys, we are trying where it's $1,000 for June for the liar money. So if you don't really want help, make do this. Enough poor people go through them something here. And an example have to make out of them. I'm telling every day say una the advice on up don't know vice on the power and I realize that a Jamaica. Toto, I'll know me see the Zell. Why the mad them pay the Zell when Toto put it? We have $100 in the cash app, guys. She try go $1,000 for the pay the liar Monday. Enough poor people go through them something. Enough. Anything them want chat to them chat to them. I love you never tell them say your waist small, your body big. And for them waist small and body big and them pretty and say them are good as
Oh,
a
June.
no man a cook give them. Oh.
That job, man, you know.
Me not see no man a cook give them so them class rose every day. I mean, not see no man a treat to no good. I don't have
Enough of them
small
love it.
waist. Toto, you put the Zell now.
Wait, the man never beat back.
Moderator, when you
So
see
me
the
put it there
Zell,
in
I
the
post the
seat.
Zell. When I love bring
Let me with
down.
it, you know.
Them say them already I use Miss Triple Zell, but don't you wanna know which
Okay,
part
yes.
with there
Them
because
can
she not
use Miss
there.
Stripper, no problem. Tell them use Miss Stripper.
But when I gonna know which part with there unless Triple go come on the live. So
Some
me just
joking
wake
things.
up
So
and I'm a seat
things
and my
like
feet
this
hurt, you
now.
know.
People at the ball go for me. Miss, it's not a joking thing. I cannot go for me.
Some of them all there for the bring down here. But the Rose have to make an example out of them. Probably as she with the influence really have to go show them up. When I run a joke with them.
Of course, I'm violate human privacy for true.
Them
I
two
tell you, you
hard
know.
and them go post it. A regular poor people go through them something and I go like say poor people not have no power.
I tell you, say, the girl called me this morning.
Guys, when
And
they
she
send
want
to
me
the
do
Zell
a
or the
match
cash app,
there. The
just
girl
make one know
called me
so we
and me and
can
her
keep
they
a check.
talk. And she said, Toto, you know that police coming here with Jakes and Ray Tete and Boom Bang Bang. So I said, eh? So she said, Jake shouldn't even let them in. Jake should have said that him don't know who the person is. And I said, June, them can't know. I probably them know, said Jakes and look at object what them a look for. I already bridging and whatever, so him can't tell no lie. Him can't tell them, say, him don't know the person. Bring them in, because no innocent in the house. But them are going to come in there now without nothing bad gene, you know. Before they see the one it naked in our bed. You know, go back outside and draw the man outside and talk to him. They're still in the house. Like you did expect for going there to see the place in a deplorable condition so you can video it for record, for show up things, for have people have things to say.
I want to know which part
So
them
them
there.
stay.
Guys, when they send something at the Zell or the
Them see
cash
the
app, and they
woman
make one
in
know.
her house, in her bed, naked, and a peer man, them shouldn't even all in there, and the woman in the naked.
All them
A
arms
peer
out. So
male
them say they could go
police.
on a fire, you know?
Them
I think
definitely,
them have a search
them
warrant.
know say a Rosealee house, and them have a blood clot. Rosealee house, and them could go in there. That them probably hear people at cuss and say, oh, this and that in your house, this in your house, that. So them want to go in there to say them want record, for video it off, leak it to who we send them their XYZ.
With
Just for
them
them have
out of the
something
system. I said that's why
for
Jamaica
people to
stay so
say,
because the whole system corrupt. Them can't even trust. If somebody want to call and report something, them can't even report it because the system corrupt. Guys, the Zell or the cash app. She want $1,000 for go pay the liar. She reach $100 already in the cash app. So if you send something, you just make we know so she can check with Miss Triple or she can check her cash app, make us see if we reach the target. And she have
Out
the influence in
order.
her sometimes as somebody the influence her for do it. Cause enough poor people go through them something, and enough poor people rights them violate down at Jamaica. And
Yeah,
nobody
man.
there for talk up and them not have the audience to get
Poor
people
is a
rally back at
crime.
them. And
When you're
Rose, you
poor, man,
not
it's a
arrest it. You have to go
crime.
lick 2 TV interview to or something. You not arrest it. You not arrest them. More and see if them not go put out a statement. You not arrest them. Cause of foolishness
The
this.
motor that said
You
the
must say
time
you
when them
can't
take a
trust
gun.
them. Who for you protect you? You can't even trust them and them can't even protect your privacy. So how them protect you? I wanna make Jamaica stay so. Wanna make Jamaica stay so cause people can't even call and report something because wanna see one go tell so and so say the number I did call and the person and put people life at risk. Wanna thinking police.
True, man.
Me want to say, oh, now go come out, come say, Rose, you're not arrest it. You're not arrest it.
Man, I'm telling you, this morning, Smalls when the girl call me. I'm if I do something for you. And she say, yeah, do it. I say, yeah, man, give me a little time. I don't do it. And she like, give me the episode of what I want. And I said, she had to Toto. Me see how one of the police boy having phone for me. And I don't know if I video me or him on the phone and phone call somebody. And so me, I said, June, but I think say I'm video the man a video, I take no picture. I just think say I'm phone in the pan.
Your life.
I'm just a holding
When
phone
the
and
man a
we.
record, she see when the man a record and call you.
No,
Guys.
she just she see him have the phone pan her.
Mm-hmm.
But she don't know if I record him, I record or if I take picture or what. But at the end of the day, the picture I take.
No man don't have to tag
And
me.
she did and she said she have bad him up and say, where you idiot? Where you pull up phone for me for about two she attack and them can't conquer in her mouth. If I tell her, she say I tell her say come with her cause she a talk too much, come down at the station. She say you're mad, me naked, me not have on the clothes, me not come no way.
Guys gonna tag them over here. Tag Andrew, tag a Peter Bunting at the
Me see
opposition.
it Angel line, me soon check out to my next phone the downstairs.
At the opposition, I forgot pressure this because them are
Me soon
foolish.
go check it Angel eyes.
People trusting her with
And
them
some
privacy
joking
and this
thing.
you know. People trusting her with their privacy. You know, tag Peter Bunting. I am an opposition leader, so I'm gonna pressure the minister tomorrow. When
Like
I
a thing now, she have to make an example out there. When she go even contact the Ministry of Security officer, the ministry or whatever, them only got to ask, call the council division or the police division or where they what it up now, X, Y, Z, and tell the people them for give that person the police personnel some time off.
when over here
What am I
start
gonna
using
do?
the finger and now use it for the right thing. Tag this, tag them for me, not tag the people them want supposed to tag. Tag when I feel like I need to know the story. Groom, I'm tell you this, sometimes people think them are there bad and are good them there.